controller operation. There are three types of the controller. There will be one is on-off control, two is a proportional control, three is a PID, proportional, integrate, and a derivative control. On-off control is as simple as form. So there is only the on and off state and no middle state. When the variable is below the set point, the switch will be on. And when it's above the set point, that will be off. For example, the temperature, we set the temperature 100 degrees centigrade. Below the 100 degrees centigrade, the switch will be on. And above the 100 degrees centigrade, switch will be off. The next way is the differential control. The differential requires that the temperature exceeds the set point by a certain amount before the output wave turn off or on again. This means that there will be a certain amount. How much signal values will exceed the set point, and depending on the excess signal, the controller is operation. So PID is a proportional integrate derivative control. So this control requires a long time lag and a proportional band to eliminate the oscillation. So that we can set the PID setting procedures. Firstly, we apply to the power to the controller, and then disable the controller output, and press the menu until the cycle is setting, use the maximum minimum value, and then press the enter when finished. So this is the way to set the PID control procedure. So the proportional control is designed to eliminate the cycling above and below the set point. When the variable is the movements are below or above the set point, the proportional control is operate. So here is a temperature controller. This is set point. As soon as the temperature rise and reach the set point, proportional control will operate. So PV is a proportional band. Depending on the proportional band value, that there will be the oscillation can happen. So PV1, you can see the oscillation diagram like this. PV2 will be like this. So the error usually we can calculate. So the measurement minus set point is the error. K is 100% divided by proportional band. Gain can be calculated, output change divided by input change. So the integrate control is we can utilize for the automatic reset. So we can reset the automatic function. So this is the integrate control function here. Set point and the outputs are made the variable. So error produce, error multiply with gain, amplify, and then this is the appropriate time lagging, make the summation and the provide the output. So therefore that we can write down the equation. Output is a gain multiply KR integration of EDD. Output is a gain multiply error plus integrate error into DD. So output can be calculated gain multiplies a derivative constant multiply DE by DT. So PID control function is out equal to G multiply E plus R integration EDD plus a DE by DT. So this is for the PID control function. G is a gain, E is the error, I is the reset. So this is the D is the derivative control. So that we utilize the different control functions in the servo, motor, velocity control, proportional, PTP, and the power modulation, hybrid bridge. So that based on the low lesson that you do this I020 day 567 and do the exercises.